Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to recover deleted photos from Android. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmin it. So first of all, you have to open that application from here, and in top this video I'm going to show how to download this software. So after downloading, open this software. So after downloading, open this application and then click on photos. And here we can see it's started to scanning, and here we can see all the files are recovering now, and here we can see all my deleted photos is started to recover. So using this application you can recover your deleted photos from Android. Now let's see how to download this application. So first of all, you have to open your Play Store and then search here ULT alt data. So mainly the application name is alt data. So from here you have to install this application, and after that you can easily recover your deleted photos using this application. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to unmin it. Thanks for watching this video.